Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and we're doing a little bit of a project that was inspired by some online searching today with our DTG G4. So we're making these really fun custom Halloween tees. So first I just want to show you how we did it. So let's talk about the t-shirt we're going to be using. So this is a next level long sleeve tee. You can find these on colemanandcompany.com. They're about $8. And this is 100% cotton, so it's super soft and it's a premium quality tee. So your customers are going to be really happy with something like this. The first thing we do when DTG printing a black t-shirt like this is pre-treating. So we're using the PTM. This is so you get perfect pre-treatment every time. And pre-treat is what allows the DTG ink to stick to the t-shirt. Next, I want to press my shirt just to release all the moisture. I'm going to put that on my heat press and cover it. And this is just for 45 seconds. One of the things that I love about making custom t-shirts with the DTG G4 is this patented vacuum platen that we have here. So you can see I didn't have to hoop my shirt. All I had to do was place it on here and it's going to suck it into place. Another really cool thing about this machine is the control panel you see here. It has an onboard print memory. So what that means is I have my recent print jobs already loaded in here and I can just select it and then I can just easily go ahead and print. Now the vacuum platen on the DTG G4 is not only great for loading on your shirts, but it also does a couple other things that are really great for making custom tees. So it sucks in the ink, so you're gonna get really vibrant prints like you can see on this pumpkin tee. The other thing it does is it reduces maintenance. So ink isn't spraying all around in the machine, instead it's being sucked into your t-shirt. Now the shirt is almost complete. I just want to give it one last press. So I'm going to move over to my Geonite heat press here. And this is great for DTG printing because it has an auto open shell here. And then it also has a really cool hover feature. Now I'm going to place my finishing sheet on top and give it a final press for 45 seconds. And now you have a finished custom Halloween t-shirt. So I want to talk to you now about the money-making opportunity that there is here with shirts like this. So the idea for this project came when we found these shirts online. These generic pumpkin tees sell for $30 a piece, and we knew we could do it better. So we got these premium next level tees on colemanandcompany.com for about $8. Then we printed them on the DTG G4, and the ink cost for that was only $1.69, and that's for a really large print like this. So the total cost to produce these shirts is about $10. Now you could easily sell these for $30 a piece, especially if those guys are doing it, but I would bet you could get even more for custom unique tees like this, especially during the Halloween season. So if you're ready to learn more about making money with the DTG G4, visit ColDesi.com and live chat with one of our pros.